Hey and welcome to Alpha One. Yes, as you see, I try to be active to give you daily videos about robots trading binary option for us. So there are no big news. Today we are once again going to run Alpha One iBot because I love this robot. But do one favor for me. Push like on this video, you help me tremendously. Make a comment and make sure you subscribe. If you are not subscribing, subscribe now. Because you always will follow me and you can see how I'm doing. And there will always be new things, new robots for Forex, new robots for binary option. There will always see something new on this channel. So if you're interested about this type of things, make sure you subscribe. So, if you want the robot you're going to see in this video, only by using the link you see up there now, you can deposit only $100 at Pinball Pro. And also at Pinball Pro, only by using my link, you can get this robot you will see in this video. Okay? And I will also need to say, make sure you check out my Forex signal group. Yes, I do have that. All my manual trades I put out there. And if you want to follow my trades there, get all my signals with take profit and stop loss level where you should enter. $16 a month, link below the video. So let's start up the amazing Alpha One iBot and see how we do in this video. as we did see, the broker had a problem, but by the way, we got a win, as you see down here and there. And you also see the trade from yesterday. So that means the trade we did go through and did become a winner. So then we are happy. Of course, we could not see all the trades as they got a APA problem. By the way, we win. I take that. So if you want to run this robot, link below the video. So with that, have a just amazing day.